children who don't have all the privileges that you guys do in school, they also can achieve great things for our country and they can contribute a lot.
Sporting spirit is a true reflection, actually, of Malaysia. Don't you think?
Interesting.
What can my generation do to shape a better future?
We have to build this country. Even though it has been 67 years since independence, this country is still not very united. We still do not understand each other across the water, Sabah, Sarawak. Even within the peninsula, many people, for example, do not understand the different circumstances, the different situation in places like Kelantan, or even remote areas in Kedah and so on and so forth. And they too don't quite understand the urban areas. I identified two major problems, the problems of different parts of the country and our failure to recognize the need for unity among different parts of the country, but also the diversity within the country, the ethnic, cultural and other diversities. It's all that is extremely important, I think, for us to recognize. We should not sweep problems under the carpet. We should recognize them in mature, constructive ways. And I'm heartened that some young people from seemingly narrow cultural backgrounds are actually beginning to rethink this. So there is hope.
You empower a lot of students in Sabah,
Yeah.
but do you have a specific message for youth across the country of Malaysia?
Yes, for the youth of today, I hope that our society can grow into a society where humanity is like one of the number one goals of the country, where everyone is equal, every child is equal, every teen in school is equal. And I would like these young people to understand that children who don't have all the privileges that you guys do in school, they also can achieve great things for our country and they can contribute a lot. But a lot of times we overlook their abilities because they cannot come out, they cannot join in competitions like you guys do. But if we give them opportunity, I know they can help our country grow and uphold the ideals of Merdeka, which is to have a unified nation. So I have great hope for the future for Malaysian youth.
What is a symbol? What are friends reflects excellent in Malaysia?
Wonderful question.
Thank you.
Well, Malaysia, just like
Yes.
like all of us here, we reflect,
Yeah.
right? We are a reflection of Malaysia.
Yes.
We are a diverse society. Diverse society, all of us are equally important. And our people are playing sports. Everything come together. Isn't that wonderful? Sport is really wonderful. And I think the sporting spirit is a true reflection, actually, of Malaysia. Don't you think?
Interesting.